both know I'm here because of overeating. I'm tired of mindlessly eating. I need to set myself up for correctness. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, welcome. For those that have been here, well, welcome back. I got some packages from Amazon. As you know, we are still on that get healthy weight loss journey that has not been going. A lot has been happening. I've been settling into my new body, which I had problems with if you saw the previous videos. But in order for me to move forward on this weight loss journey, I actually have to love myself and appreciate myself where I'm at right now. In order for me to give my body the love that it actually needs, I need to love it. So I'm learning to accept it for now, not permanently. Anyway, did you hear that? My knees crack. One thing that I'm struggling a lot with on this weight loss journey is staying consistent with eating healthy meals. So I got some stuff from Amazon right here, and I'm just about to do an unboxing video, you know, content creation thing for Instagram, YouTube Shorts, TikTok. So let me do some unboxing videos and show you what I got. Oh, this was from Costco. If you see anything you like, definitely check out my Amazon storefront. I'm going to leave a QR code right here, or you can click the link in my description box down below. That will take you directly to my Amazon storefront and you can get this for yourself. Right. I got these little glass cups that I can use to make chia seed pudding. I can also make overnight oats, and they come with their own bamboo spoons. I like that for me. I got some fridge dividers. I'm one of those people that buy vegetables, but because I don't cut them or prep them, they go bad so fast. So I got these little things to help me. You know, I already have fridge dividers, the ones that come with the fridge, you know, like the generic ones, but I got these ones. You can see that if you wash your fruits and they're a little bit wet, they have like this inside thing. It's supposed to help them drain. Also here at the top, it has this thing that you can turn to give the fruits or vegetables some fresh air. And it also has a divider in the middle, as you can see. I also got extra plate, floor plate. I think it's for that. Actually, I don't think it's an extra floor plate. I just realized where that goes. It goes in the medium one. And if you want to have two levels, you can just put this one on top, put some at the bottom, put some on top. Wow, this is very efficient. So I cannot wait to use this. And last but not least, I got some containers. I'm trying to reduce my plastic use. So instead of using plastic containers, which I have, number one, they really get stained so bad. I don't own a microwave or use a microwave, and because I use plastic, I can't pop it in the oven, whereas I can pop this baby in the oven, you know. So I got some meal prep containers because we're going to start meal prepping. Yay! Tomorrow is meal prep day 1, and the reason why I love these is they do this. Look, you can breathe in, breathe out. You know what I mean. Finally, let's open. Oh, so these I've decided to take back. I thought they were going to be much bigger than this because I wanted to have a bigger jar. I don't know if I should return them and buy new ones or return them and get refunded. I think I'm going to get refunded because they're quite small. They're really small. I don't know what I'm going to use this for, because ideally I wanted them this big. Oh my god, so many boxes I have to go around. See, I have these ones. These ones are quite big. Look at the difference between these and this. It's so small. Like, I want to put my rice, all that stuff, you know, like pantry dry food. That's what I want to use them for. And that's quite tiny for my liking. Let's unbox this. I got this from Costco yesterday. I'm really stocking up for my meal prepping. I just want my fridge to look cute, everything in containers and all them things. And also I'm tired of plastic, like I told you. Oh my god, I don't like them. The reason why I don't like them is the color. I just wanted everything to be white, you know, spotless. This shirt looks strange. Anyway, yeah. I mean, I like them, I just don't like the lids, because the lids Even the colors are different, bro. Look. They are not the same. They don't even complement my aesthetic. Plastic. We're done with all the plastic. So yeah. Wow, so many boxes on the floor right now. Do you know how long I've been waiting to unbox this? I received all this stuff by Wednesday last week. It's the next week on Saturday. It's been more than a week. Ugh. Yes, okay, the only reason I like this is because there are so many different sizes. They are not exactly milk containers. Okay, some of them are, but they're just containers. Like this. This looks like a butter container. Look at all these boxes. Wow. Damn. So this is Costco. This is Amazon. I like Amazon stuff better because I got to choose the color and everything. But this is going to really help a lot as well. I need to clean my apartment. It's dirty. I braided my hair the other night, so there's hair on the floor everywhere. And I think that's basically it. I'm taking the boxes out. It's a major mess in this area, and you know, studio apartment problems. I'll see you tomorrow because tomorrow we are meal prepping. I'm tired of mindlessly eating and just, you know, not planning ahead, because when I don't plan ahead I end up eating everything, and we both know I'm here because of overeating. It's not because I don't work out, because working out is not my problem. My problem is food. I need to set myself up for greatness. Time to meal prep. I have my laptop here with me. I'm watching Sophie. If you know, you know.
This from a local store today. Look at how pretty this is, you guys. Like, ew, look at that angry cheese. I saw a video of like a full week of like fitness. Let me know in the comments. I can do it.
Go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my school. Cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens.
Breakfast is done. Oh my god, I cannot wait to eat that. I don't even know how it tastes, but all I know is that the chia seed pudding tastes really good because I added dates, vanilla, some of the blueberries, and chef's kiss. I'm one of those people that do not like chia seed pudding, but when I blend it, I can, you know, take it down. Okay.
In the backyard when you're all fine in the summer. Say that the 3 weeks where we learn to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to you that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever. In your room, working on my uncertain. Skip to the present, and I still haven't released it. But it's okay, 'cause the new songs are better. That's what it feels like, haven't been so happy ever.
Quinoa is so easy to make. It's just like making rice. Sometimes I like to flavor it, but I'm not going to give it any flavor because that way I can get to manipulate it with so many different other meals. Quinoa salad, quinoa and gravy, quinoa and something, whatever. Simmer and some salt. Time for chicken wings. Chicken wings, chicken wings. Why did I do that? Wow, with my Batman wings. Please don't ask for quantities because I just eyeball everything. More pepper. Oof. Coconut aminos, replacement for soy sauce. I'm not making it super fancy, it's just basic. So we're going to let this marinate. Do you think these are enough for me? And I don't have to wash my hands, all I have to do is whip it. Are ready, so I'm just going to put them in here and let them cool. They're nice as is, by the way. Alright, we are all done. This is everything I've prepped. I have 3 breakfasts. I have my morning shorts, beluga lentils, quinoa, grilled chicken wings. I pre-cut my cabbage. I prepared my cucumber ready to eat. Cut onions if I cook anything during the week, and some fruit. Oh, spinach. Because you know the drill when I'm on my weight loss journey. If you've been here a while, a salad a day keeps the doctor away. So yeah, damn, it's super hot. I'm going to take a shower and then I have to look at this, you guys. I kind of redecorated. I'm just waiting for my planters over here, so I'm just going to hang some real plants, not fake plants. And also I need to put these lights all the way up to here. Just as I was about to go take a shower, my package is here. What is this? We'll figure that out. Yo, you see these things? I think I'm actually going to do these tomorrow. The only thing I'm pressed to do is these hanging lights that are just chilling here. I cannot wait. All this is home decor stuff. I just want to show you low-key what this is. Low-key, high-key. You know those hanging plants? I'm going to put a picture right here. That's what this is. Yeah, I'm still curious what this is. I do not remember ordering. Oh my god. I got dry eucalyptus. I want to put it in my bathroom. That's what this is. I got bigger ones. Remember I got these yesterday and they were so tiny. I'm returning them. The box is actually here. So I got a bigger one. I got bigger ones. Bumbleclut, why are these always broken? Like this one? It's broken. Oh, is it? Okay, it's not a scratch. It's, oh my god. Look, they look like scratches, but they're just... Okay, thank you, Lord. I'm glad I didn't throw the box because I was just about to. They do come with labels. And this is cute. So that's them. This is my dry food situation. All this stuff like chia seeds. Stuff, there is a lot of stuff in there, almond flour or whatever, and in here, look at that mess. So I want to reduce some of this stuff. The reason why I got this is because you see how this stuff is packed in here. I never eat it. I never eat it because I don't see it, but I feel like if I put it in these bottles, not only is it cute and does not take a lot of space, but then I get to see it and then I can cook it. You know what I mean? Yeah.